Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. Honestly, though, it wasn't even, the first part of the day, nothing out of the ordinary, and then all of a sudden this afternoon happened, and you can see the volume came pouring in, and the price reacted very nicely with it. So a whole lot of eyeballs on this one going into next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 495. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 495, I am not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line is going to begin to work its way higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that purple line would be great. Staying above 495 would be great, but as long as the price is above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at right now, key level going to be right up there at $5, and we'll call it 8 cents. Yeah, I get it. The price did actually break above there a couple of times today, but the price was never able to actually stay up above it. But it makes sense why the price is struggling. You can see right there it was, directly rejected, and now you have some other price history right around there. So by no means am I saying 508 can't be broken. I'm just saying apparently according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above 508, but stay up above it. All in all, though, very nice way to close out the day, and I guess given that today's Friday, great way to close out the week. So we'll see how this one plays out on Monday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.